Hey guys, I wanted to bring you to my shop adventure for today. Uh, I was scouring the interwebs, and on one of the classifieds, I found a Bridgeport Boss milling machine, 3-axis, for sale in Connecticut. Not sure if you guys know, but I'm from New Jersey. After speaking with the woman who was selling it for a few days, we settled on a price. Um, and my truck is kind of old, so I decided that I would rent a U-Haul pickup and a tandem axle trailer from U-Haul. And I've always wanted to do one of these fast motion videos where I feel like I'm driving 5,000 miles an hour to take it to the location. So please follow along, and we're going to Connecticut. Thanks to the power of motion picture editing, we've cut our trip down from about 2.5 hours to about 2 minutes. So we're about a block away, and we're going to fuel up for our return trip home. Hey guys, here she is in all her glory in the shipping receiving area of the machine shop that I purchased her from. I wanted to take some videos inside the shop, but wasn't allowed because the shop is primarily a shop for Sikorsky helicopters and jet engine parts and such, and I think they may be doing some military work there. Very, very nice people. Met just about everybody, got the full tour. They are outfitted with about 20-25 DMG Mori and Morisiki machines, 3, 4, 5-axis, CNC mills, CNC lathes. Fantastic shop. I was very amazed by everything they did there. They had no trouble loading the machine on the back of my trailer. They had a very, very heavy duty forklift, and we got her in on there without nobody's business. So at this point, she's loaded up, she's all strapped down and ready to come back to my workshop. So let's go back home. All right, guys, we're heading back from Connecticut. Got the Bridgeport on the trailer. It is very ominous looking. Looks like snow. There's a few flurries coming down when I was putting the machine on. I just texted my buddy from New Jersey to find out if it was snowing there. He hasn't texted me back yet, but hopefully it's not. I don't really mind the snow getting on the machine, but if everything gets wet and there's water kicking up, you know, they put that brine down on the road nowadays, and I've had machines rust up just from being on a trailer for a half hour. So hopefully we'll get back without any incident. Okay guys, well, I guess you could kind of tell I'm no happy camper at this point. We got all kinds of crazy squalls just came up, and snow all over the place. Everybody just got stupid driving. It turned a 2.5 hour trip into a 5.5 hour trip. Uh, I'm fortunate the truck handled well. The trailer had brakes on it. Things didn't get slick, and to tell you the truth, there were no plows putting brine down on my side of the road. I saw them in the opposite direction, but I was able to get back to the shop without further ado. And now you can kind of see the machine. It got it in the shop. Took me a while to get that trailer. Our trailer was pretty big. Backed in there properly. Got her on the chain hoist. Pulled the trailer out. Now it's just a matter of taking the truck and the trailer and taking it back to U-Haul and calling it a night. It was quite a long day, and I am quite exhausted. Well, guys, just got back with my Series 1 Bridgeport, and I got a bunch of 30 taper stuff. Boy, this in itself was worth the price of admission. Not including a bunch of other goodies they threw in. There's a mist pump. There's a coolant tank with a coolant pump. This one's a little dirty, but I did all right. I got a good deal on it, I think. Well, forget about all the years of grime on the machine. Just take a look at these ways. They are absolutely immaculate, and all the machine surfaces are in that kind of condition. Just about 20 years of grime from sitting there. So I guess that wraps up this video. Now it's a matter of gutting the machine electronics out and starting the conversion to Centroid, like I'm going to do on my other machine. And I guess we'll see you in another video on the progress very soon. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like the video, click like and subscribe.